Okay, very good. Bring them all in. Good morning, everyone. I will be calling out the names, whoever appeared first. Judge Raymond Angelini is going to be helping us out, and you will give them the page number and case number, and we'll be doing this case.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, the first one on the docket is Mr. Thomas Beck.
Yes, I'm in close contact with my client. I was talking to her on the phone, so she should be on by now. But if I could confer with the ADA.
Sure. Just make sure she gets on. Or
She might be on now.
what's her name?
Last name is Vasquez, as far as the court records, I believe. Armandia Vasquez, and she's new to Zoom, so oh, I just saw her name. I thought I did.
Miss Vasquez, are you there?
Miss Martinez?
Is that her right there with the glasses?
Is she on mute? If she's on mute, you're on mute. We can't hear you. You got to unmute yourself. So she's here.
Okay, that's great.
Okay, Emma, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you now.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're
Mr.
welcome.
I don't know, Mr. Lowry, Mr. Weber, one of y'all please speak to him.
Yeah, they'll be
Yes.
going in, Your Honor.
It doesn't matter, Your Honor. Whoever's fine.
Rolando Arguelles, the next counsel.
Good morning, Judge. I'm on page 7 of the docket, the very first one, Gabriel Gonzalez, cause number 651395, and he's present on the Zoom call.
Okay. And what are you going to do? Is it that case?
Your Honor, it's an arraignment date today. If I can confer with the state on the matter and if we can be excused afterwards.
Okay. All right, sure. We'll just hang out until someone's free. Or Mr. Weber, can you?
Yeah, I can speak with Mr. Arguelles.
Okay,
Thank you,
thank you.
Judge. Mhm.
Mr. Brian O'Donnell.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm
Good morning,
on
Brian.
page 8, James Jackson. He has 2 cases. Your Honor, he's currently in jail on a new offense. He has a different court-appointed lawyer for that. And all of his cases are actually in the computer set for tomorrow. But I went and did a jail visit, so I wonder if I could have a breakout room with the state judge.
Sure. He's in jail now?
Yes, Judge, only on 1 case, though.
Okay. And the new case, is it a misdemeanor or felony?
Misdemeanors, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. No problem. As soon as someone's available, hang with us, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The next one would be John Winter.
Morning, Mr. Winter. Where are you? What
Morning,
page?
Judge. I'm here. And I've got Alex Chavez Gasca, and I think I see him present. Yep, there he is. Let's see, what's his case number? Anyway, we need to confer on this morning. Do you need the case number?
No, I just need what page you're on.
7, page 7.
Okay. Okay, I got it. All right. Yeah, hang on until Mr. Lowry and Mr. Weber is available.
Okay, Judge, thank you.
Mhm.
I think I'm good here.
Dylan George.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, George. Where are you, Mr. George? What page?
He's got one on page 7.
Okay, I got it. Your client, is your client here, Mr. Novice and Miss Novice? I think that's her with the fan. Is that her?
Celia. But there's a Celia iPhone. Would that be, it is Celia Nieves? Is that you, ma'am?
Not me.
Armandina.
Yes, that's me. Hello.
Okay, thank you,
I'm trying
Miss.
to figure out my phone. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
With the
It's okay.
volume. I'm so
Mr.
sorry.
George, what do you do?
I'm sorry,
Mr. George, I'm your attorney.
Mr. George, James.
Who's your attorney, ma'am?
The attorney, the attorney's name is supposed to be Mr. James.
You broke up, what was that again?
Can you hear me?
What was the attorney's name?
That's my client, Judge.
You're asking for the
Okay, Dylan
attorney's
George.
name, supposed to be
Hey,
Mr.
Mr. George,
James.
Mr. George, what are you gonna do, sir?
Confer, please.
Sure. Somebody is waiting. There's both
And
prosecutors.
Your Honor, I'm back from speaking with Mr. Arguelles. So I can confer with whoever's next.
Mr. Winter needed someone. I don't know where he went. John Winter, anywhere?
He went to confer, Your Honor.
Okay. And then how about,
Judge, may I give an update to the court on
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Gonzalez?
please.
Yes, Judge, I conferred with the state if we can have a reset so I can confer with my client off the court Zoom.
Okay, well, set it for December 7th. Let's go for
December
it.
7th? All righty. Mr. Gonzalez, did you get that? December 7th? I don't know if he can hear us. Gabriel Gonzalez? Is he connected to the audio?
No, he's not connected.
No? Okay, I'll just call him later.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Kenton Longacre is next.
Good morning, Mr. Longacre. You're frozen or can't hear you. Kenton, can you hear us? Guess not.
Maybe his volume is low.
Kenton, can you hear us? Mr. Longacre? I can't hear you. Can't hear you at all. Can't hear you, sir. Why don't you log off and log back on? Maybe it'll work.
There's a lady there or a person by the iPad. What is your name and who is your attorney? Can you identify yourself?
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, ma'am. You. Glasses?
Yes. my name
Armandina,
is-
Yeah, no, Miss Armandina, not you.
Okay.
My name is Sydney Martinez. It says that my person should be Gil Coronado.
Okay.
John, did you get to confer? This
Yeah, I
winner?
did, Judge. We're still waiting on some videos that were mentioned in the police report. So I'd just like to reset this so we could get those videos.
December 7th. Get him
Okay,
to-
Judge.
Get it to him by then. Before then.
Before is always better.
Yes, Your Honor. Who is next on the list? Is it Mr. O'Donnell or Mr. George?
Here in the line, Mr. O'Donnell.
Okay.
May we be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, Judge. All right, Alex, that's it. We're done for today. I'll call you.
Mr. Longacre, can you hear us? We can't hear you. Can't hear you. I can see her talking, but I can't hear you. And I'm not a techie, so I don't know how to tell you how to fix it. Maybe Miss Castillo can, or somebody.
Well, I'm not too sure if in the where the little microphone is in the bottom part next to the videos. So on the little microphone, old-fashioned microphone, there's like a little arrow there. Check in that and see if you need to put a same as system on the microphone array. Select a speaker, same as system. Maybe that'll put you. No. Okay. And then check over here. You're on the right-hand side on your actual monitor. Maybe the speaker is very low, where it looks like sounds coming out. Maybe you can raise it up. There's a gentleman on Jay Sean Johnson. Okay.
I'm a woman. Hello.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm gonna put you on a breakout room, Your Honor. It indicates here that she does not have counsel, and I'm gonna see if she needs assistance on that.
Yeah, yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay, then let's get her a court-appointed lawyer if she needs one.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
me put her on room 6, and we'll be with you shortly.
How about now, Your Honor?
Yay!
You got me?
Yes, sir. Can't hear you then.
How about that? All right.
You have a jury trial, my understanding.
I do have one set, Judge, and I have to tell you, I don't see my client in the courtroom. I talked to her late yesterday evening. I sent her the link. She was supposed to send me some material. She never responded, but I'll try to reach her right now.
All right. Until I get off, you got till then. Otherwise, it's a bond forfeiture.
I understand. Thank you.
Sure.
I'll be back.
Okay. Brian, what do you have? Did you confer?
I did, yes, Your Honor. And apparently, my client, James Jackson, has felonies at intake. His 4 misdemeanors are actually set for tomorrow in County Court 9. And I would imagine the other court-appointed lawyer would be part of that hearing tomorrow, but I don't think there's anything that we can do today.
Okay, that's fine.
Maybe excuse, Judge?
Yes, sir. Mhm.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Castillo, just put these 2 on tomorrow's docket too.
Okay, okay. Is it Gabriel Gonzalez? Doesn't look like he's connected. No audio.
Look, I think you smile. And you know.
Mr. Beck, what's going on? Can't hear you, Mr. Beck.
Judge, they're offering an obstruction if we take the DWI course ahead of time. So we're asking for a 30-day reset.
That's fine. Well, December 7th.
Okay, thank you very much. Did she ever speak to you?
Mr. Beck,
Yes.
we're going to set it for a play on December 7th, so have it done.
Yeah, the course. Okay, I got you.
Okay.
But is she online?
I don't know what she looked. You could see.
Yeah, I'm just want to make sure that she knows how to use this Zoom.
Are you talking to me?
Armandina Martinez?
Yes.
That's
Okay.
right.
All right. Good. So you know how to speak on Zoom.
Yeah.
So
right
I
here.
will call you on the phone as soon as we leave the meeting. Okay.
Okay, so what happened?
I will call you on the phone.
Mr. Beck will explain it to you. All right.
Okay.
All right. Y'all are both excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Okay.
Leave the meeting,
Okay.
Ms. Martinez, and I'll call you right away.
Okay.
This is Vanessa Garcia.
Good morning, Elena. I'm here on Williams, Sorrenti 666229.
What page is it on, Miss Garcia?
Serenity, I apologize. It is on page.
Here, I got it now. It's on page 7. Williams, is that the case?
Yes.
Hmm. Okay, what are you going to do?
I do need to confer with the state on that case.
Okay, all right. Just Mr. Weber, you're on
Sure.
Mr. Lauer, 1L, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Sure. I'm gonna go get some coffee. I'll be right back.
Okay, Ms. Garcia, the judge will be with you shortly.
Thank you, Leda.
Ms. Garcia, did you get to confer?
Yes, Your Honor, and the state has extended an offer, so we would like a reset so that I may convey that offer to my client and discuss it with her.
Your client on?
Yes, she's right here. Miss Williams, may you announce?
Yes.
Okay, got it. Yeah, December 7th.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we both be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You can log off, Serenity, and I will give you a call.
Did Mr. Longacre find his client?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Mr. Longacre find his client? I just saw him on there. I'm just wondering. Guess
Not
not.
sure.
Mr. Volk, I saw is trying to enter. Hi, David. Good morning. It's Raymond Angeline.
Sorry, Judge, I was in a Zoom with County Court number
They all blend in. It's all right.
12. Yeah, I can confer on Miss Aleka Aguilera.
That's the jury trial, right?
Yes, Judge.
Yeah, why don't you confer, and if you can't, we might have a chance to pick tomorrow or Thursday. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Sure. I guess Mr. Weber and Mr. Lowry, one of y'all, please speak to him.
Okay, Mr. Abelardo Garza.
I'm present, Judge.
Good morning, Abe. How are you?
Morning, Judge.
I'm okay, thank you. What's up?
Do I have something? I didn't know I had something today, Judge.
It's on page 6, Margarita Rodriguez, case number 621957.
Margarita Rodriguez. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize that was today, Judge. But I did talk to her. She tried to appear, and she was told that she didn't have court. She's got 2 cases, Judge. She's got a case in County Court 7, which is 620295. And she's got this one at 621957. I guess we need to put them in the same court.
Well, we need to have her here in our court today, or the bond.
Okay, I'll call her and tell her that she needs to appear. She She can't appear by Zoom. She didn't have the know-how.
Well, then she's got to appear in court
Okay,
in person before I leave, or it's a bond forfeiture.
okay. I'll call her right now, Judge.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
Kenton Longacre here. I did get in touch with her. She'll be available in about 15 to 20 minutes at the most.
Okay. When she comes on, let me know.
I sure will. Thank you.
Mhm.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. What's up?
On this Nieves, 666631.
Yes,
So
sir.
I've gotten state, I need to go over it with my client, and we'll probably need to get some classes done before we can enter the plea.
What kind of classes?
She's hopping on the bus and coming back.
The classes would be DWI education.
All right, you got till December 7th.
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll set it for then. December
Thank you, Judge.
7th.
Yes, sir.
What's up, David?
Judge, I'm gonna try to get a hold of my client. They made a new offer. I'm gonna convey it to her. I'm gonna advise her to accept it. Let me just see if I can get in touch with her.
Okay, let me know before I leave today, please.
I got you, Judge. I will.
Okay.
Thanks.
Good. Good. Did you hear that? I talked to my client and she was taking the bus back.
Okay, good.
Your Honor, is there anybody else waiting to confer with the state?
Not that I can know
You know, Judge, I can confer when
of.
I'm.
Okay, why don't you confer, and then when your client gets on, you can either talk to her or not.
Right.
Mr. Weber, would you please talk to Mr. Garza?
Yes.
Judge, may I approach?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm here on a plea for Nicholas Green. I think I made a mistake and I told Mr. Green the plea was gonna start at 11:30 and he's coming to my office, so he's not here yet.
Okay, well, wait for him.
But he will be here shortly. Is it okay if I go check in with the 226 very quickly?
Do you have the paperwork already? Ready?
Everything's completed, Judge.
Okay, yes, yes, ma'am, sure.
Thank you.
Mr. Coronado?
Yes, is my client on? I can't see if he's on or not.
Yes.
I'd like to go in a breakout room with him, please.
With the state or with your client?
My client first, please.
Ma'am, go to room 4, Sydney Martinez. Mr. Rene Munoz has arrived, Your Honor.
Hello, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. I
Yes.
apologize that I had to be in another court, unfortunately.
No problem. Not at all.
I have a Jonathan Andrew Barrera on page 8, Your Honor.
Okay.
With him, Judge, I was recently put on his case. This matter set for arraignment. I believe him to be homeless. I don't have as of yet, but I would like to reach out to his pretrial officer to see maybe he's in or any other numbers. I would request this matter to be set for a bond compliance, if at all possible.
No, sir, I need him on here today, if he's on. Otherwise, it's a bond forfeiture.
Yes, sir. I understand. If I contact him, I will notify the court immediately, though.
Okay. Not a
Appreciate
problem.
it. Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Good to see you. Bye.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Garcia. You're back again?
Yes, I am back again. I am here on behalf of one of the attorneys here in my office. He's not able to make it on, Mr. Cole Nettles. He's on page 6, the first case.
Okay.
And on that one, we have submitted the application for PTD, so we are just waiting for the state's response and dismissal in that case.
Well, how long is it going to take him?
I would assume it shouldn't take too long. I believe a general reset should be fine, and that way it'll give the state enough time to go through the paper.
All right, December 7th.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Be
Have a
careful.
good one. Hopefully I won't see you again today.
Your Honor, like I mentioned earlier, I need to step away for a few minutes and I'll be back, okay?
Not a problem. Take care.
My client should be here shortly, but we are ready to go when he gets here.
Okay. Somebody's gonna send me the paperwork.
I believe the state is working on that, Judge.
Okay, great.
May I approach, Judge?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's up?
Kenton Longacre, and below you on this screen is my client, Gabrielle Benavides.
Okay, got her. I see she's there.
I'm here.
Did you
And
hear
what's-
her? Did you hear her, Judge?
Yes, sir. I see her too. I hear her.
Oh,
too.
okay, good. Yes, we're set for a trial today. There are two things going on. There's some further materials that I need that I haven't been able to get to adequately prepare this case. And secondly,
What do you need? Whoa, 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 whoa. What do you need?
documents from my client. And secondly, I'm up to my ears in COVID symptoms. I am vaccinated, but I've been home for a couple days and waiting a test result.
When are you gonna get the result?
I beg your pardon.
Are you gonna get the result today?
I don't think so. Probably not until tomorrow. Anyway, we're hoping that you could reset our case until the date I've heard you speak of, December the 7th.
No, we can't do it then. Nope. We can set it for Thursday and you need to let me know whether she is, whether you got COVID or not. And that's it. Set it for Thursday.
Could you hold on a second, Judge? I'm checking. I think I'm in another county Thursday.
How can you go to another county if you're sick? Can't even go to ours.
I understand. I'm just telling you I'm set in another county. Oh, no, I'm wrong. It's the following Thursday. So no, if I'm clear, I should be free on Thursday.
Okay, be there, be here Thursday, in court. You and Miss Benavides, in person.
In person on Thursday.
Yes, sir.
All right, Judge. Thank you. May we both be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Did you hear that, Ms. Benavides?
Yes, I
Miss
did.
Benavides, and you can't be late.
Okay, no, that, I just need the time.
9 o'clock.
Okay.
All right. I'll see you then, man. I'll talk to you beforehand. Thank you, Judge.
It's probably gonna be 1:30. You might check back with this, the CO, but right now it's 9 o'clock. It'll probably be 1:30. Okay?
All right. I will check back with her to be sure.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Lowry, did you hear that?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay. So I guess Mr. Volk's case is gonna go unless he ends up pleading, and I know he said he was gonna talk to his client about it, so. Todd, what's up?
Judge, I'd like to confer with the state. That's what I'd like to do. Sorry.
Mr. Lowry is right there, and he'd love to talk to you.
Sir?
Mr. Lowry will be there to talk to you.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Mr. Cotto, now if you can go back to room 4.
Thank you.
Your Honor, can I approach?
Yes, sir.
Judge, the phone number I have for my client is not in service. I've emailed her and I'm gonna send her a letter right now. I just want to update the court. My plan is to strongly advise her to accept the state's offer. And I'll do everything in my power to get that done.
Up to you and her. I need you there tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, one way or the other.
Okay, fair enough, Judge.
in person. Because if it doesn't shoot and play, we'll pick a jury and go from there.
Fair enough, Judge. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yes, so I'm here at the lobby.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Judge, this is Abe Garza.
Yes, sir.
My client says she's out the door and the door is locked there in the courtroom.
Ms. Santos, could you see if the bailiff can let her in?
I think the
Right,
bailiff is
here's the
going.
bailiff. He's going to check.
Your Honor, my apologies. My background is just a picture.
I'm sorry?
I said my apologies. My background is just a picture, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Sorry about that, Judge.
Is that your client, Abe?
I've never seen her before, Judge, so I assume that's her.
Bailiff, have her approach to the
screen.
Yes. The doors were not locked, by the way.
Well, I guess she's not.
Approach, please.
Hello.
Hello. Mr. Garza, would you like to speak to her?
Judge, if we could just reset this, I've talked to the DA and they're gonna see if we can work some sort of package deal, but they gotta contact County Court 7.
All right, we'll reset it to December 7th.
Okay, Margaret, it's reset till December 7th. I'm gonna talk to you later. I got your phone. We'll talk. Okay?
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. You're excused.
Okay. Bye-bye, sir.
Is Pedro around or is he gone?
Gone, but he's gonna be here shortly.
Well, okay, he's gonna send me an offer, Judge. Can I be excused?
No, wait for him.
Okay.
Aleda, did you receive the rest of the paperwork?
Let me see. When did you receive it? Just today?
Yes, it was just completed.
Okay. I don't think Mr. Laurie put me as a carbon copy. So it's gonna go to you, then it'll go to your client, then it'll go to the judge.
Okay.
And once the judge signs everything, it'll go straight to the clerk, be ready to go.
Perfect. Then I think we're ready when the court is.
Okay, so Mr. Laurie is conferring as soon as he comes out and everything's ready. Your Honor, have you received the paperwork?
No, ma'am.
And
No, ma'am.
did your client fill it out through email?
Yes.
Make sure that he clicks away all the way through the end.
Let me see here. Did it say finish? Oh, yeah, okay, perfect. Yes, it does say that it's been completely signed. I just verified. Mr. Lowry?
Yeah.
Do you know if the paperwork is automatically getting sent to judge?
He just sent it to me just this second.
So I can't replace the email address until it gets to Gloria Saldaña's email. And so I had to wait for your client to sign it.
Got it.
I signed it and it's got to be sent back to me again, saying I signed it.
Judge Angelini, do you do the plea sheets by hand like my judge does, or do you want me to send you an Adobe sign of the plea sheet for this plea?
No, I just need it sent. I signed it, need it sent back to me. Once I sign it, I lose it. And then it has to be sent back to me saying you've signed whatever. And then I'll just read it to them. I'll just go from there.
Okay.
Mr. Laurie, it would be better to send them the plea sheet for the clerk's purposes. So they don't have to be waiting.
All right, I got the plea paperwork for Green. Are we ready?
We're ready, Judge.
Uh,
We're ready as well, Your Honor.
Okay, this is cause number 645-714. You, State of Texas versus Nicholas Green. You Nicholas Green?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Say Mr. Green, who's charged with the offense of DWI. Is that you, sir?
Yes.
I have some papers here from your attorney in the district attorney's office, which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, I have.
Have you signed them?
Yes, I have.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you understand what you're charged with and you understand what could happen to you if you end up pleading? Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to? Did you know that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Excuse me,
Right.
Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
In our court, the clerks don't swear the witness.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. No, I didn't know that. All right. Mr. Green, would you raise your right hand? You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Okay. Are you Nicholas Green, who is charged with the offense of DWI and cause number 645-714? Is that you?
Yes.
I have some papers here from your attorney and the district attorney's office which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, I have.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, I have.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what could happen to you if you end up pleading? Is that right?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to? Did you know that?
Yes.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes.
Did anyone force you or make you give up that right?
No.
All right. Then to this charge of DWI, how do you plead?
No contest.
You understand a no contest plea does not help at all. In misdemeanor court, a no contest plea is tantamount or has the same legal effect as a guilty plea. Do you understand that?
Yes.
So it's not going to help you. So do you still wish to plead no contest?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to find his plea is voluntarily made and I'm going to find him guilty of the offense. What is, well, I don't know. Is he applying for deferred?
No, it'll be a regular probation,
Okay.
$600 fine.
Wait, just hold on. I'm sorry. Go ahead. It's going to be what?
$600 fine, court costs, 180 over 18 months, 48 hours of community service, DWI education, DWI victim impact panel, an ATP evaluation, ignition interlock for half the term. There'll be restitution of $60 to DPS for the blood draw, and restitution of $150 to Eric Tipton for his broken glasses. And the state will be TICing case number 647695.
What are these glasses?
It's from the case we're TICing, Your Honor.
Okay. You understand what the plea bargain calls for, Ms. Russell and Mr. Green?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. I'm going to go along with the plea bargain. I'm going to sentence you to 180 days in the Bear County Jail, suspend that sentence, place you on probation for 18 months, $600 fine plus court costs, 48 hours community service, DWI education course, the victim impact panel, ATP evaluation, ignition interlock device placed on all vehicles at your home for 9 months. You're to pay restitution of $60 to DPS and $150 to Eric Tipton for his glasses. That $150 is needed to be paid in 1 week. And the TIC, we're going to TIC 647695. Is that your understanding, everyone?
Yes, Judge.
All right. You got that, Ms. Santos?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Green, I think you need to stay on and talk to the probation office. Ms. Russell, help him with that, please.
Yes, Judge. Thank you
All
for
right.
your time.
And then after that, you're excused. All right.
And Your Honor, I sent that plea sheet via Adobe Sign, so if you open your email, you'll be able to fill that all out. And it'll automatically go to the clerks.
Okay, I'm just opening it right now. Let's see if I can do this. Cornelius, what's going on? Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. I have one on a Wendy, M-A-R-O-T-Z. I'd like to confer with somebody.
Okay, Mr. Lowry's right there. He'll be glad to talk to you.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Judge, may I approach Todd Coronado?
Yes, sir. What's up, Todd?
Judge, yes, thank you. I conferred with Lowry, Chris Lowry just now, and this is our first setting. I just need about, I guess, a 30-day reset to go over everything with my client.
Okay, December 7th.
December 7th?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Well, no, I'd like to talk to my client before we leave on the
Okay.
breakout room. And can we be excused from there?
Yeah, Ms. Castillo can put you in breakout room with them, each other, and go from there.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Your Honor, that TIC dismissal should be in your inbox now. I'm just going to jump in and confirm.
Can unmute. Okay. I'll be right back.
Mary, I'm just back because I need to ask the judge of removing the GPS monitor. I forgot to ask while he was here.
The judge stepped away. I guess you know, Miss Russell. Yeah.
Yes, I saw that.
Yeah.
Okay, room 7, Ms. Martinez and Mr. Corona.
I'm sorry, how do I get to room 7?
Get there in the, move the, is it a computer? Move the mouse around and you should be able to say join a room.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Very cool. I guess it didn't come in yet. You know what? Check the previous.
Ms. Russell, did you want to approach the judge?
I did, thank you. Judge, on Mr. Green, we do need an order removing the GPS tracking and monitoring device that is on his ankle.
Yeah, I will, but somebody needs to send me an order.
Alita, is that something that the court, there's usually a templated order, correct? Or do I need to create something?
It was on the notes, but I didn't know there was anything to do with the GPS, so I didn't fill out anything.
Oh, I can wait for Alita to come back and ask her if it's something that she wants me to create.
Yeah, if you can do an order and then send it to me and I'll send it to the judge.
Okay. I'm very sorry. I've never done one before. What all does it need to contain? Can it just say?
Just have a note say he was ordered to do GPS, blah, 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 and it's no longer needed and no we're requesting be removed, and then put an order saying it is removed.
Okay,
Motion in order.
I will do it quickly and get it over to you. Thank you.
Sure.
Judge, can I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we reset it for December 7th, correct?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You have a good one.
You did. Be careful.
Okay, did she leave? She left. I wouldn't just tell her if she called my office, I would have my secretary send her one. But if she comes back, we'll send her one. Judge, could I approach on the Wendy Marzotz, M-A-R-O-T-Z?
Okay, what's up?
I confer, Judge, a state made me 2 offers, either JSAT or if she does a theft class, they'll dismiss it. So could I just get a 30-day reset so I can?
Yeah, December 7th, it's reset.
All right, thank you,
Make
Judge.
sure she's gonna get it reset, then make sure she does it by December 7th.
All right,
Not
all right.
come back on December 7th and tell us that she's gonna do that. You've either
Okay.
done that or she's gonna do something else, right?
All right, thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Your Honor, if you want to go ahead and have the bailiff call out some names that they didn't appear for a possible failure to appear. And that would be Raul Garces. He's on page 7, was notified to the bondsman. And that's it for right now.
Your Honor, you are muted.
Oh, I'm sorry. Mr. Butler, can you hear?
Yes, Your Honor.
Would you call out, is it Raul Garces? Is that right, Ms. Castillo?
Yes, sir.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Butler, would you call that name out in the hall and let us know if they're not here or whatever, please?
Sure.
And Your Honor, Pedro just texted me back. He wants to know if you need him to come back in or if we'll just be good with me.
I don't know. Are you good enough to handle it yourself?
Yeah, I think so. I just wanted your permission. I already told him that he's probably good.
Yeah. Yes, that's fine. I'm kidding you. Not a problem.
Your Honor, after that announcement of the deputy, I believe that this is, the docket's done
Okay, until tomorrow morning? Is that
till
correct?
tomorrow morning. And I believe that we're getting Mr. David Volk in the morning.
Yes, sir.
9 a.m.
Yes, ma'am. And Mr. Lowry, just if you could if you hear from Mr. Volk before any of us do, let me know, or Ms. Castillo, she can let me know, or you got my email, so you can just email me or call me or whatever, okay? If you
Yeah,
hear.
as soon as I hear, I'll send that off.
Okay, if not, we'll just deal with it tomorrow morning, okay?
No answer for Raul Garces.
No, nobody, Mr. Garson's not there?
Halls are empty, sir.
I can't hear him.
Where is that coming from?
He's echoing. I can't understand him at all.
Deputy Butler, can you repeat that?
Mr. Butler, hello?
Yeah, here we go. How's that?
Yeah,
Calls
I
are
can hear
empty. No answer for Mr. Raul Garces.